This 3-disc magnetic separator is widely used for tin, zircon, monazite, ilmenite, garnet, iron ore, and so on. Cause it has below strength. Cause it has below strength. 2. Can be one-time separation of strong magnetic, weak magnetic. 2. Can be one-time separation of strong magnetic, weak magnetic. 3. It can be applied to dry mining in the water-deficient mining area. 4. Ta and NB grades can reach high-grade quality by using the separator. 5. It is easy to install, adjust and operate small floor area. 6. The magnetic intensity of each disc is adjustable from 1000-20,000 Gauss.